Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change related product tags in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write related product for WooCommerce. So this is plugin related product for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see related products, so click on it. Now plugin setting open. So we are going to change title and then scroll down and then you see multiple option. So find here related product title. Now you see, so you can add custom text according to your requirement. So we updated text related product slider and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Go to product page and refresh the page and then you see related product text changed to related product slider by using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.